Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while since I've done a reaction video. So for this video, I'm only gonna react to memes from different movie scenes or from the sound effects are ripped off from the classic cartoon show Ed and Eddy. If you're not familiar with the classic cartoon show, two videos are gonna be Marvel. One's gonna be Family Guy, and the other one's gonna be from Shrek. So I'm just gonna at least do 4 videos for today. Hopefully, if my iPad has enough space for it. So let's go on ahead and start reacting to this video. First thing we're gonna do is the scene from the Avengers where Hulk smashes Loki, but with Ed and Eddy sound effects. So let's go ahead and react to this video starting. The horn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The sound effect. Do not for Ralph. Oh my god. I love chickens, Double D. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so now we're gonna do the one where Iron Man and Thor are fighting, well, especially Captain America joining in, but this time it's the one with it's the hold on. All right, so this one is the one where Iron Man and Thor are fighting, and then Captain America joins in, but it's the one with the sound effects as well. So let's go ahead and react to this one. I knew I was gonna do that sound effect. You're crazy. Oh. Goes into the sound effect. Oh. Johnny 2x4.
Robot bounty hunter.
Oh. Slide on the soap. Ooh. Double D. You kiss your mother with that mouth? Ooh. Ooh. That sound effect though. High pitched.
Doors, loser.
Kevin.
Yes, that is what I said. Many doors, yeah?
What? And ruin all this frustration? No, you said that.
See that?
Ow. cry, Eddy. All right, still, still best scene. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the chicken fight scene. You know, the main guy, Family Guy, Peter Griffin versus the Chicken Man. All right, let's hold on. I think it's about to...
Going to a big party tonight.
Wait, let me start over. There we go.
Well, looks like someone's going to a big party tonight. You should a chicken strip party pack for all your friends. Here's a coupon.
Oh, look, pal, I don't take coupons from giant chickens. Not after last time. Oh, yeah, and that nice chicken outside gave me this coupon.
I'm sorry, this is expired.
You son of a...
Kiss your mother with that mouth. Sound effects. Laws of physics. Oh. Get off my truck. Ooh. That sound effect again.
You're crazy? Do not full run!
Chicken! Not to mention that dog.
Not to mention the dog. That was like a donkey. Is that supposed to be a donkey?
The hat of discipline. Do you live in a cave?
Oh, I did not see that. I think that's my phone. I'll check it out later. It's nothing important right now. Alright, so now hopefully last one. Hopefully my iPad doesn't get. It's the one from Shrek. Hold on. Alright, so this one's gonna be from scene from Shrek where he fights off against Lord Farquaad's knights. So let's go ahead and react to this video and starting.
Knights, new plan. The one who kills the
Ed boys.
will be named
Ed boys.
How about him?
Hey, now come on. Hang on now. Can't we just settle this over the paint?
No.
Alright then.
Alright then. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Loser.
I was born to be wild.
But the cage was too small.
Chicken! Hey!
Hey! Alright, well, that's the video. That's the videos I can react for now. Ed and Eddy was my favorite show as a. Okay, it was my favorite show as a. My show as a kid. I laughed so hard at everything. I need to make this video fast. Hopefully, if my iPad doesn't get like you have too many like. This is a 16 gig iPad, so. Yes, I don't know how they came up with doing all the sound effects in different movies with fighting scenes, but I don't know if I should do one too. I mean, I'm so busy right now with school, so Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I'm talking too fast because I need to upload this video ASAP. So thank you all so much for watching. I am out of here.